This is a 2015 Dodge Challenger with the 5.7 Hemi in it. We just did a rear muffler delete on it, put some nice dual black exhaust tips on there, as you can see. Also replaced the mid mufflers, put some single chamber V2 mufflers on there. Give it a really good rumble. Left the factory X pipe, all the factory catalytic converters. It's gonna sound off pretty good. Let's see what it sounds like.